What hurts more, feeling disappointed in other people or feeling disappointed at yourself? You decide. You've spent so long trying to control everything around you. How people see you, how they treat you, how they make you feel. How is that going for you? Is it going well? Or is it killing you deep inside and you feel very empty trying to please everyone? You tell yourself, if I just do better, if I keep on getting stronger, I can face this, but that's not gonna be the solution. The world doesn't care about your self-improvement. But the truth is, bro, the world doesn't care how hard you try to be better. And keep this in mind. The things that affect you is what triggers you from within. People can have different actions. Let them have it. You can't control their actions. But you can control how you respond to them, how it triggers you. That's something within that you have to fix. Do you understand? If someone does something weird, you find it weird because it triggers something inside you. And you don't like the way they move or like the way they do this, like the way they talk. That's because within you, there's a triggering thing. And you need to get rid of that if you want to live a life that's untouchable, not being affected. And you might feel disappointed. What's disappointment? How do you get disappointed? Let's just break it down, shall we? You have expectations, not high expectations. I'm not talking about high expectations. I'm talking about expectations. You have expectations. Why? Because you think you deserve it. Yes, we all feel we deserve everything until life knocks us down, hits us down. We feel we need something, we deserve something. No, get rid of expectations. Nothing's guaranteed in this whole world. You know it, I know it, the whole world knows it. Tomorrow's not guaranteed, the next hour is not guaranteed. So why do you have so many damn expectations? Is my question. So, how do you become untouchable? How do you make your life so good that nothing affects you? It starts within. Understanding yourself first. What actually triggers you? What is pain for you? Because pain for you is different to someone else. Pain is something that controls you and you need to understand to not let it control you. This is whole life. It doesn't happen overnight. Life is all about a journey and you need to figure yourself out every single day. If something triggers you, that needs attention and find out how to overcome it and not let it affect you. You think becoming unbothered and not caring is a flex. Our generation got this whole thing wrong. That's not a flex. Caring is a big flex. Being unbothered and not caring, let me give you an example. When life hits you real hard, I mean real hardships, and you acting as if, oh shit, I can't face it, I don't have the capacity to face it, let me just not care. What's gonna happen? It's gonna come behind you. You someday you have to face it, because you cannot proceed with life if you are not willing to face that problem right then and there. You might have had a lot of hardships come behind you. What did you do? Did you run away from it? Or did you actually face it? Or did you even actually have to face it head on? Because someday you have to face it head on. Once you face it head on, you prove yourself, you solved that problem, and now you have clarity. Even later on, 5 or 10 years down the road, that same kind of problem comes up in your life. You have the tools, you have the skills, you have the ability to face it, because you have the knowledge, you had the knowledge, you faced it earlier, and you have the knowledge on how to solve it. So don't act as if, oh shit, I'm unbothered, I don't care about this anymore. Because someday you have to care and you have to move on. The world doesn't get easier. You have to stop being fragile. Stop giving people keys to your emotions. Stop letting them give access to your mind, your feelings. When you really know who you are, you can let people come in, leave whenever they want, and still stand tall. Stand tall. When you faced enough pain, their words can hit you, but it doesn't land. Because what? You have peace within. You're unbothered. So let the whole world know, no matter what problem that comes in your life, no matter what kind of people that come into your life, you are unfazed by any negativity that's affecting your life. Because now, once this video is done, you're a different person. And the earlier person who used to get affected, that affects the earlier person. You're a different person. You've integrated. You've outgrown that earlier self. You're a new version. And whenever life gets worse, life just gets worse and worse, say it. I've been through worse. Or this could be my worst and I'm overcoming it and I'm going to go further, because life is all about problems, problems and problems, and it's how you stay unfazed and keep moving forward. That's the gladiator mindset.